Hey YouTube, it's the Bounty Agent. Trying to finish off a project I just started with my 25 Davis. I can't really find a look I want to go for with it, but I like the gold on this, so I don't know what I'm doing though. I don't know, trying different stuff. I'm going to take this off. I found some other stuff I want to put on there to try it, but I got to clean it up a little bit. Oh, what I really started with was, what I started the video for was, today I got mail from Glock. Got a book from the Glock store. Like I said before, I don't really like Glock. I'm not a Glock fan. But they must have heard that I'm not a Glock fan, because they've been sending me a lot of stuff, so I'm thinking about it. They got some cool stuff in Glock. So, gotta work some extra, do some extra warrants and a couple bounties or whatever. I think I'm gonna go out and get a Glock and try it. I shot one. I've shot a couple, but I don't really like them. I like the XD40, and I know that's supposed to be a Glock knockoff. Now see, this is enough for me to go get a Glock. I know it sounds crazy, right? Yeah, especially with the Punisher one. And you all know I got one for the XD, so. But they can't do this on the back of the XD. But, yeah, I think I'm going to get a Glock just because I need one. I need another gun to mess with. Yeah. The prices, though, man. The prices, to me, it's crazy. Just for that tactical laser, they want $325. Oh, you can get one for $150. I've seen them for $40. Not saying I'm the cheapest dude in the world, but come on. Let's see if I can use that stuff. Yeah, I think I'm gonna get me a Glock. I like that. It's different. Horizontal magazine carrier. Okay. Glock is promoting some stuff, ain't they? Okay. Maybe I'll get my wife one of those. But yeah, the Glock. I like the fact that they have their own stuff, you know. See, I like that. I like that slide. Yeah. Oh, wow. Okay, Glock. You got some, you know, some different stuff, you know. That's what we need right there. That's exactly what we need. Nice. Custom fit clip holsters. You know I love grips. How much is that? $13.49. That's not bad. I like that too. Put it on my XD. I don't like those sticky grip things. Am I gonna buy some? Probably because I want them. Will I use them all the time? No, probably not. Electronic headset, okay. Glock come. Dummy ammunition. Slide plates. It's a nice size book too. It's pretty thick. Small magazine. Okay, toolkits. Under your shirt concealment, that's pretty cool. Yeah, I can use that a lot. Oh, they got ankle holsters. Knife holster. Oh, that's pretty cool. I don't know about the vest. Yeah, but as you can see, why Glock is on top. I seen you guys making these, so there's no way in the world I would pay $25 to buy one. That's a lie. I'll tell my wife to buy it for me. Look at that. That's hot. I think y'all should sign up and get a Glock catalog because these catalogs are pretty nice, man. Especially if you have a Glock. If you have a Glock, I think you should go out for this, man. Ask them to send you one. This is alright. I don't know. Maybe I'll buy one. To me, the price range is, crazy. Like I said, I would have to do a couple more bounties than usual. Maybe some warrants, some kick-in doors. Alright. Just showing you what I got in the mail and what I'm doing on my weekend. There's no work today. Maybe I should do a bounty, though, for the extra money. Go buy me a Glock. Alright, till the next time. If you like, leave a comment. Click the like. If you don't like, leave a comment. Click the don't like. Either way, it'll be appreciated. Bounty Agent is out.